So I'm currently on my way to my friend Kiki's house, which is 50 something minutes away from me, and we finna go to an ice cream shop in Locust Grove. So yeah, we finna go to an ice cream shop, and yeah, oh yeah, if you don't know me, my name is Drika, and yeah, I'm new to this. I'm kind of new, not really, 8 months into this YouTube stuff. So yeah, if you want to see more of me, subscribe, turn on that post notification button, follow me on all my social medias, and yeah, if you want to see this makeup look, go look at my updated makeup 2021 natural makeup routine, very in detail if you want to know. Y'all know that TikTok that go like, here comes the boy, hello boy, welcome, here he is. That song is so stuck in my head, and it ain't even a real song. That's the thing, I just now seen the original yesterday, so it ain't even a real song. That girl, whoever did it, need to make that a real song. Tell her that Drika said she need to make it a real song, period. When y'all driving, do y'all ears be popping? Cause like, say if I'm going over, like, if I'm on the interstate or something, and I'm driving fast, and then I let my window down, and then let it back up, my ears be popping like hell, and then like, it be feeling like, I don't know, I be feeling weird, like, the way I'm hearing and stuff, it be feeling weird. But yeah, sun's out, so you know, buzz out. Ooh, let me stop for our rig. Okay, let me get up. I fuck up my tires, and they already fucked up. Hey guys, so I'm in the car with Kiki, and and we on the way. Finally go. No. I just recently deleted too. Bitch, they don't be watching. Anyways, yeah, y'all go follow her on Instagram at I am Kiki. On Snapchat, I am _Kiki.
Period. And not my username.
And on top of that, if y'all got any modeling shit, hit my girl up.
For sure. I got no one. But it's like I wasn't doing with that boy, but he just be doing. I feel like he ain't gonna respond to my damn shit.
What you call it? That big ass.
Bitch, don't talk about my shit. They gonna say, ooh, recording. Be like, blah. Oh, he did record. There you go. Put us on Snap.
I already got us on Snap.
How? Let me see. I want any.
Yes, you are. Go look at my Snap. But y'all, we at the gas station getting gas. Selena is about 5 minutes away, and we about 19 minutes away, so we got time. Oh, and we going to Cake and Shake. I forgot to tell y'all that.
Bitch, I look like a whole nigga on here. I'm on film. Like that.
Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart.
Y'all see all the stuff. I don't know if I really don't know if I'm supposed to be, it is, if I'm supposed to vlog in here.
She would like anything here.
Who?
Chanel.
Somebody buy me this, please. Who is Chanel? Oh, Chanel. Okay. Bye. Hey, y'all. So we just got back from Tanga Tanger Outlet and Cake and Shake or whatever it was called, and it was alright. I had got me a cake and I got me not a cake. What am I talking about? I got me a milkshake and a chili cheese dog. And now we're gonna be on our way back home. It's currently about 8 o'clock, and I don't know why I ain't been went home because I gotta work tomorrow. So yeah. I'll see y'all whenever I get home. My friend went in the Chinese restaurant to get her daddy something to eat, so that's why we just waiting here. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute. Oh, and also let me show y'all what I got. I got Into the Night perfume, and I got my man some Clean Slate by Bath and Body Works perfume. It smells real good, and I think he would like it, so I just picked it up for him. So yeah, I really cannot wait to go home so I can go to sleep and watch my show, take a shower. Yes, I'm just thinking about it, and I cannot wait. Period. Hey guys.
Come on, Drew.
Let me make my. So we're finna go grocery shopping real quick, and then I want to take y'all with us to the store. We finna go to Piggly Wiggly, and we might go to Walmart. It just depends on if we find everything we need. Piggly.
You down there?
If we don't find anything, we need to go to Walmart. We gotta go to Walmart. I know you will.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you
Hey y'all, so in the store I couldn't really vlog like that because Cortez was just moving too fast and too many people in the store, and I don't know, it was what? Oh, that's our groceries right there, y'all. Don't mind that. I'm finna put them up. But anyway, yeah, it's just too much going on and stuff, so I couldn't really vlog like that. But I'm finna. That's why I can't vlog in front of Cortez, because he already looking at me like I'm crazy. I'm finna put up the groceries. Yeah, I'm finna put up the groceries. And y'all can just enjoy this montage of me putting up the groceries with this song playing over it.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel.
y'all, I'm all done. This is all our stuff. I had got some more seasonings and stuff, you know. And then I got all that. So yeah, we done. Now I'm just gonna put all my bags in one bag and then put it up, because you can never go wrong with bags. If you black, you know. Oh, and y'all, I also bought some of this. I heard it smelled real good, so I'm gonna try it out. And I'm gonna spray it all over the house so it can have a good clean smell to it. Hey y'all, so I just ordered from Starbucks, and I usually don't do Starbucks, so let's see how this go. I tried one of the Leah Lee drinks that I screenshot off her story, and it looked good, so hopefully it's good. If it's not good, I'm gonna be so heated, because y'all be hyping the fuck out of Starbucks. So I just ordered, and we're gonna see how it tastes. Cause hopefully it's and y'all, I just was at the store pumping my gas. Please tell me why this crackhead came up to me and was like, "You look real good in your outfit today." I said, "Thank you." He said, "I just want to let you know that you look good." I'm like, okay, I understand, I get it, thank you. Like, and he was it was giving me very much pedophile, like. And this is what I got on the gym outfit, because I was gonna go to the gym. Somebody just ordered a strawberry. Y'all hyped up the strawberry outside refresher. I just want to say that. Hold on. Hey.
How you doing today?
Good.
Happy 41.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
10 out of 10. This thing is so freaking. I'm gonna post the what I got, the exact thing. It's so good, y'all. 10 out of motherfucking 10. This drink is so good, I literally cannot. I might go back for another one. It's so freaking good. Oh my god, like, this is so good. Like, oh my freaking god, this is the best drink I ever got from Starbucks. Like, period. Just the right amount of sweetness, just the right amount of everything. It's so good. Oh my god, I'm finna cry how good this is. Cartel gonna be mad I did not get him one, but he should have came with me. Try it.
No.
It's so good. No, try it. Like, for real. Try it. I told the boss you gonna be mad because I ain't get you one because how good it is. Try it. You good, lady? Oh, you such a hater.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time.
If you have made this far in the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on that bell to be notified whenever I post another video, and follow me on all my social medias, period. And yeah, I see y'all in the next video. Mwah.